We are Team Dominators, and we are presenting our proof of concept for the Project Sagar. The ocean covers over 70% of our planet, yet critical marine data is often fragmented and hard to interpret. Project Sagar is a revolutionary initiative which will help government by giving 60 to 70% boost in efficiency of time, resources, and decision making. Our main USP is a data portal like MOSTEC, but for marine sector. We introduced the agentic AI copilot Varun, which automates complex workflows, assists with data retrieval, and delivers interactive end-to-end help right within the platform. It includes a marine digital twin also, and it is deployment ready. Our solution is fully cloud native and capable of working offline, and it uses a scalable, robust backend architecture built for nationwide adoption. Our solution brings everything together we need to know about the ocean: oceanography, fisheries, biodiversity, and even real-time animal tracking into one powerful interactive platform. So how do we do it? Our platform is structured around 4 powerful modules. First is Dataset Explorer, a smart library for ocean data. Here, each card represents a distinct category. For example, physical, oceanography, eDNA, fisheries, etc. Includes file type, file time, last updated frequencies, and short descriptions. You can also filter and access exactly the data you need. Each dataset entry includes summary metadata. For example, sample size, format, update frequency, etc. Secondly, we have oceanography. We use interactive maps and graphs to let users analyze everything from sea surface temperature and current to salinity. Here, there are 5 key marine stations which will give real-time parameters data. We have time series and profile charts, water mass distribution charts, and current condition summary. Next, we have fisheries section. This is crucial for sustainability. Our stock assessment engine uses AI to compare current catch data against maximum sustainable limits. It gives AI-driven alerts so managers can immediately spot a declining or critical fish stock and take actions. Next, we have eDNA portal. This module gives us a snapshot of biodiversity. Each card represents species name, location of detection, eDNA match confidence, associated visual metadata. We can instantly identify which species are present in a given location using their genetic traces, linking the data directly to the conservation status, like the IUCN Red List. On top of that, we bring the ocean to life with our digital twin. This isn't just a map, it's a real-time tracking environment for marine life. Using advanced tagging, our live tracking map shows the current and predicted movement of species like whales, sharks, and dolphins. Finally, our multimodal model analysis, it uses ensemble AI models for forecasting fish stocks, spotting harmful algal blooms, and predicting biodiversity hotspots. And we built in explainability features so you can always know why the AI made a certain predictions. In short, our portal always allows users to answer critical questions like what is the current health of an ecosystem and receive actionable insights in real time. Unlike the fragmented siloed tools of the past, our platform integrates all these data streams into a single interoperable systems for the first time. We are not just looking at the ocean, we are giving the world the intelligence to protect it. Thank you so much.